All right, this problem's not nearly as long as that last one. So, all right. A student graduates from college with $52,000 in student loan debt. The annual interest rate on that debt is 5.7%. In order to reduce his debt as quickly as possible, beginning next month, he is going to pay $700 per month towards the loan. After his first payment, how much will he owe on the loan? Now, this is how it works. You're going to send in $700, right? $700, that's your check. However, they are going to charge you interest on your loan. Your loan is $52,000. So, the interest is going to be your principal, which is the $52,000, times the interest rate, and the interest rate is 5.7%, so that's 0.057. And because your balance is going to go down every month, they're going to have to recalculate the interest every month. So the time on this is 1/12 of a year. Now remember, time is always supposed to be in years, but they're going to calculate the interest every month. And a month is 1/12 of a year. So when you do this calculation and you take it to the nearest penny, that comes out to be $247. Now that is of interest. Now here's what happens. My blue pen. You send in a check for $700. They are immediately going to subtract from that the $247 that you owe them in interest. That's going to leave you with $453 that will be applied to your loan. Okay. And the question is, after his first payment, how much will he owe on the loan? He started off owing $52,000, but they will apply the $453 to that, so that when you're done subtracting, your new balance is $51,547. Now you were probably thinking, wait a minute, but I sent him a check for $700. Wouldn't that bring it down to $51,300? Yeah, if they weren't taking out interest, or if they somehow wrapped the interest into that payment, but it doesn't usually work that way. You send in the $700. They're going to take a chunk of it. They're going to go, well, we're going to keep this because this is the amount of interest that you owe us at this point in time. And they take it from your $700 check, which means you're really only reducing your debt by $453, not the $700, because they're keeping a chunk of it for themselves. That's how it works, people. It's not nice, but you know, sometimes you got to take out loans, and they're going to charge you interest for taking however long it takes to pay back. And this didn't even say how long he was going to take to pay it back. He's just like, okay, I'm going to send him $700 every month, you know. Some places set it up for you and say you have to send us this amount of money every month. So anyway, that's life in the big city. And that is my last example for section, what is this? Oh yeah, 8.3.